So my brother got married in Costa Rica, and I think I was like 17 when he got married, and in Costa Rica you could drink, or, they were letting us drink. So the whole weekend, we were all drunk, and this was the first time for me, so it was all so exciting. And we decided to go ziplining one morning, and I was still very much drunk from the night before, as you are. So we get to the place, I'm feeling a bit rough, and then we go up on to the zip line. They strap us in. Like, I go through the first zip line, feeling fine, feeling okay, and it comes to the one like where they ask, oh, you can go upside down. It's like, oh yeah, I'll try that. And so they set me up, and I'm there to go upside down, and right as I turn, I just feel my stomach drop, and I essentially projectile vomited into the forest of Costa Rica. And the guy at the other end, I had some on my shirt and stuff, and the guy at the other end did not want to touch me, which, fair enough, who wants to touch me anyway? But yeah, that's probably my most embarrassing story.